SERV stock analysis Friday. This is for Monday and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So Serve Robotics, we're slowly pulling back down into this demand area, 11.17%. We're $11, but like 2.5% down. The way that I would take this trade higher, this market higher, because that's what I'm looking for. Few things need to happen. Those are just kind of like the requirements that need to happen. So what exactly am I waiting for? I simply want to see this. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Yeah, so I want to see the price pull down a little bit. And if it pulls down and it gives me this double break, only then I'll take prices higher. Right now, guess what? Says that I'm waiting for the rules to be met, and this is exactly what I'm going to do. Pretty much wait and do nothing else. So that's the situation right now. It's like, honestly, like I would not try and force any stuff here, like nor buys nor sells, even though like I would not look for something like to sell. But yeah, if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, just check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.